dialogue. This dialogue is between Maria, a Filipino customer planning her stay, and Daniel, a receptionist at the Royal Palm Hotel. Maria is calling to make a new booking and gather information on amenities and services. The dialogue begins now.
Good afternoon. You've reached the Royal Palm Hotel. How may I assist you today?
Magandang hapon. Gusto ko sanang magpareserba para sa susunod na buwan at kailangan ko ng impormasyon tungkol sa mga kwarto at serbisyong inaalok ninyo.
Of course, I'd be happy to help you with that. May I know the specific dates you plan to stay at our hotel?
Darating ako sa ika-10 at magtatagal hanggang ika-15. Gusto kong malaman kung may mga available na kwarto para sa mga pets ang iyon.
Yes, we have standard and deluxe rooms available for those dates. Each offers different amenities, such as city views, free breakfast, and a welcome kit.
Ano ang pagkakaiba ng mga kwarto? Mas gusto ko ang kwarto na may tanawin at may kasamang ilang serbisyo para mas komportable.
Hey, if you are enjoying this content and would like to see more and support my channel, please hit the subscribe button.
Our deluxe rooms offer beautiful city views, complimentary breakfast, and access to our exclusive lounge. Standard rooms have basic amenities but are also very comfortable.
Salamat sa impormasyon. Mas gusto ko ang deluxe room at gusto kong malaman kung may discount ba para sa mga advance payment.
Yes, we offer a 10% discount for advance payments. Additionally, we provide free cancellation if you book a deluxe room.
Napakaganda! Mayroon ba kayong transportasyon mula sa airport papunta sa hotel? Sa tingin ko mas maginhawa ito.
We do offer an airport shuttle service. You can reserve it along with your booking, and it will be ready upon your arrival.
Perpekto! Kumpirmahin na natin ang aking reserbasyon kasama ang shuttle service. Maaari mo bang ipadala ang kumpirmasyon sa pamamagitan ng e-email?
Absolutely, Fernanda. I'll email you the booking confirmation, payment details, and shuttle information.
Maraming salamat sa tulong, Daniel. Excited na akong tumuloy sa hotel.
You're very welcome. We look forward to welcoming you to our hotel soon. Have a great day.